Okay, this is part 2. We have the new Aquastat relay installed. We have all our connectors made. For some reason, the last installer had cut this ground wire here, right here, from the main line voltage coming in. I don't exactly know why they did that, but anyway, I reconnected the ground and also grounded out the circulator. So basically, our line 1 and line 2 are connected, our C1 and C2, and our burners are connected. We're going to fire it up now, power it up, and kind of watch what happens. Okay, the circulator's running. We have the spark igniter just kick on. Main burners fired up. And looks like she's running normal. Alright, so we're going to watch this for a few minutes. Wait till some of these rads get hot. I may go around and check some of the rads, make sure they're all bled off properly. And other than that, that's it. Alright, thanks. Bye.